Hello there, this is Finfornier. Here's more Mass Effect 2007 AD edition of Doom. Last time I looked at the Hawking Ada cluster, and there's only Sentry there so far. I don't remember where the where Ilos will be, what system that's in, what cluster that system will be in. So far I guess we'll be going to the system to the right of Hawking Ada, or the cluster to it, whatever there. Subsets and sets and subsets and supersets, woo! All the settings of King Philip cried out for goodness sake. So yeah, there's Hawking Ada, and there's nothing more here. What the heck? All these stars and none of them are mapped? What the heck? Oh well, so to Styx Theta. There we go. And we have Acheron. Yay, I guess we'll be fighting some xenomorphs on Acheron. That'll be a thing, probably. Actually, is there something similar to Starship Troopers or something there? I think we're gonna fight Rachna in one of them. I don't remember exactly where. Okay, here in Styx Theta, S-T-Y-X Theta. There's Acheron, we're here, and the first planet in the system, the closest to the sun, is Farthol. Is that exactly how it's pronounced? I have no idea. But Farthorol, maybe something like that. A modest terrestrial planet, Farthorol has a thin atmosphere composed of carbon dioxide and chlorine. The crust is mainly composed of sulfur with deposits of nickel. The terrain is extremely rough, a patchwork of craggy, overlapping craters dating back to the formation of the solar system. Farthorol is tidally locked to the star Acheron of Doom. The day side has never been fully mapped. Extra crispy. Well, it would be. Orbital period 0.2 Earth years. Radius 6,506 or 6,506 kilometers. Day length 0.2 Earth years. Atmospheric pressure 0.69 Earth atmospheres. Surface temperature 239 Celsius, but that includes both the day and night sides. Well, the night side would, atmospheric pressure is half an ATM. So like 7 or 8 PSI, something like that. But yeah, either way, there's some heat transfer still. It's not going to be absolute zero on the night side, but it's going to be crispy on the day side, that's for sure. Anyway, surface gravity 0.8 G. Alrighty then, so next one is Altahe? I have no idea. Altahe. We can land on this world of Doom. Altahe is an exceptional form of planet called a Roche world, which the Roche limit is where things would tear apart due to tidal forces, right? Something like that. Well, I don't know what a Roche world is particularly, but the Roche limit's the thing that allows for like rings like Saturn's and whatnot. Anyway, put simply, it is one half of a pair of a small and unusually dense Altahe is an exceptional form of a planet called a Roche world. Put simply, it is one half of a pair of small and unusually dense terrestrial worlds, Altahe and Ontahe, that orbit each other so closely that they effectively share a single atmosphere. Oh, that's interesting. So like if Pluto and Charon were a bit larger enough to have an atmosphere and, well, be closer to the star, something like that. This does not mean that one could fly from one to the other, but both have identical atmospheres, and dust from one often can be found on the other. Both worlds share an atmosphere of nitrogen and ethane. The surface is warm and mainly composed of silica dust and dark basaltic rocks, with extensive deposits of heavy metals and radioactives. Tidal effects from Ontahe create constant heavy wind of Doom. Orbital distance 0.8 AU, orbital period 0.8 Earth years. Radius 4,404 kilometers. Day length 53.8 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure 0.98 Earth atmospheres. Surface temperature 36 Celsius. Surface gravity 1.1 G. So we'll get back to that in a little bit. Do they show Antahe? Wait, that's Farthorol. Where's Antahe? Shouldn't they have it right there? Wish the zoom thing would work like in Celestia. Oh, there's something there. Oh, yep, here's something here. Carbonaceous asteroid of doom. A dark asteroid of mixed carbonaceous materials. This asteroid shows signs of impacts by weapons fire in a video game. Radius 63 kilometers. Turian insignia recovered. You discovered signs of battle while scanning an asteroid field in the Acheron system. Which, Acheron's the name of LV-426, by the way, for anyone that didn't know my reference jokes. A small recon and recovery team led by Navigator Presley he actually did something more than stand around the map in the CIC? What? How's that possible? I didn't know he could move. Anyway, was able to determine that many of the ships were marked with the Epirus colony's insignia. Wonderful. So there was the thing there. Alright, so the next one is Grossalgen, or Grossalgen. Grossalgen? Let's see, Grossalgen, something like that. An enigmatic rock and ice planet, Grossalgen, has a thin atmosphere of doom, of carbon dioxide and ethane. The surface is composed of frozen water and chlorine. Orbital period 41.5 Earth years, radius 5,198 kilometers, or 5.198 megameters. Day length 28.9 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure 0.53 Earth atmospheres. Surface temperature negative 175 Celsius. Surface gravity 0.6 G. And survey. Light metals recovered. We found magnesium. Yay. We did that. Alrighty. Let's see. Anything else in the asteroid belt of doom? Just the one singular asteroid right there. That's it. That's all the asteroids in the asteroid belt. Wonderful. So, here's Emanea. Emanea would be most likely, I think, for the pronunciation. I don't know, though. Though exceptionally large for a terrestrial world, Emanea is composed of water ice with a core of various carbonaceous compounds. It has a density only half that of Earth and an atmosphere of nitrogen and carbon monoxide. The surface is composed of surprisingly pure water ice with a high albedo, which is how much light is reflected back into space. Orbital distance 22.2 AU, orbital period 117.7 Earth years, radius 11,621 kilometers, day length 56.4 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure 0.88 Earth atmospheres, surface temperature negative 185 Celsius, and surface gravity just 10% less than Earth's 0.9 G. Well, depending how you do the fractions, whatever. 90% or, whatever. Alright, so we have Altahe. Let's see what's here. I think I've already been here, but let's look around and see if we have any bugs to fight on Acheron. Well, the planet in orbit of Acheron. Let's see, if we're gonna fight bugs, I always want Ashley with me. And maybe Garrus. He has the Snippy Whiffle. Ashley has one too, but yeah, more Snippy Whiffles, more doom at a distance. Just pow, pow, extra crunchy, extra crispy. I'm wondering, is this the one with the bugs? I know there's like a side quest mission, something like that, that has bugs, and this might be it. But did we already go here? There's listening post. We're gonna have some Arachnine, maybe a Thresher Maw. This looks like a great place for a Thresher Maw. Actually, this whole thing looks like one huge Thresher Maw nest. But yeah, this looks like it might actually be the place where we get to fight some bugs. Like, what happened with the Queen? Oh well, sorry. I wonder if the council will have anything to say, like, we heard you had some bugs to deal with. Like, I'm sorry, council idiots, that's classified. I don't know, something like, you need to sign an NDA before I'm willing to talk to you about this. And you also have to sign any terms that I add to the NDA after you sign it. Like, you owe me all the money in your accounts, or something like that, you know? That'd be funny. Ah, well. Yeah, isn't that fun, though, how unilateral contracts go, like, just agree to everything in advance. It's like, that doesn't seem right. It really doesn't. But yay. Just the power of pretending things have to be that way, and everyone going along with it. Because there's no other option. So, let's see. Oh, yep, there's some red dots. That's gonna be fun. Oh joy, what is this here? Do we have the ability to save still? Whatever that sound is, I'm not thrilled about it. Let's see, we can recover. Cool. Yay, this doesn't look like it's impossible. Dang it, it is for me maybe. Oh, just love that sound. Okay, still can recover it without the edge of tomorrow as we know it. And everything's crap. Yay, we got it. Matriarch's writings. This down satellite had one of the Matriarch's Naga's writings stored in its payload. Whether it was placed before or after it crashed is uncertain. So yeah, that's the Rachni song. At least, like, there was a thing about that being on the moon somewhere. It's the same sound. I didn't hear it when I went to the moon in the game here, but that is it though. So we ought to have Rachni to fight. I'm thinking I'm gonna get my troopers out of the Mako to help bring the Doom in person. Like, whatever this problem is, let's switch up. Alright, so you guys switch to Snippy Whiffles. Snippy Whiffle time of Doom. Alright, any type of special ammo crap? Okay, I don't see any type of ammo crap. Squad. Alright, these are the abilities. So Snippy Whiffles to maximum. Good, they're already there. Alright, let's see what is here. And if we'll have to run around the map and take out some bug nests. Of Doom. Where are these things? Are you guys gonna start flowing out of those tunnels? I might have to have them switch back to the another thing. What was over there? I have a feeling they're gonna be pouring from these things. That'll be fun. Yep, here we go.
Redeploying.
Hello, would you like some Doom?
Powering up.
Okay, let's bring them all out of their little holes and see if they'll follow me to some distance of Doom. Crunchtastic. Yeah, follow me. Get out of there and follow me. Yeah, keep spraying your crap at me. Try that. You're gonna be way slower than this. Except for the falling and somehow reorienting. Maybe with a gyroscope on board or something, I don't know. Alrighty then. Yay, Ashley. Just a rifle squad. I know this is kind of lame, but it works. And if it works, it works, you know? Did you just fire up into the air, Garrus? Well, they've almost got it. Well, you just keep firing into the air, don't you? Oh well. I wish we had binoculars so I could see them doing them better. Oh well, let's get over there. Let's switch to the medium range rapid fire devices of entropy here. Switching up. Alright, time to get close and bring some doom. I could use the Mako's cannon, but I'd rather help them to know the true meaning of extra crispy a little bit closer on foot here, because it's more Starship Troopers-esque. And you get more XP.
All clear.
Yay. Alright, space for running. I want to get a matching set of suits. I think I'll see if I can get another green one for Ashley. Like if it would be better if we can get one with better stats than the red one. But yeah, let's see here. Where's the entry point to this? Time for ingress. And then see how much doomly fun it will be indoors and whether I get to do the eating of abilities. Oh my word. How is this so difficult for me? Where is the green light thing there? It's on this side, maybe? There it is, okay. There we go. Probably should have clicked save before we get in, but let's save now. Oh, we can do this as well. Alrighty then, I don't know, basic armor, so we don't have to restart all the time. Assault training then. And Garrus, what do you need? First aid maybe, I don't know. There we go. So there's that, and now save. Yes. I think there's like a zillion other places on this planet, but I do believe we'll actually be able to help out a squad of mobile infantry somewhere. Oh well, this isn't a good sign. Yep. Well, at least they aren't Rachni poop. They're just a little more doomed than they need to be. Hard decryption. Oh crap. I hate hard decryption things. Well, let's do it. Yeah. 383. I like the number, but it's also like I don't like hard decryption crap. Oh, the joy. Dang it. Almost there. Load. Here we go again. Arg. But more stuff would be nice, and especially if I don't have to buy it. Come on. No buying the farm either, though, please. There we go. Just barely. Okay. Let's save again. Yep. Alrighty then. And another thing of doom, yeah. There we go. It's difficult to think the rotation changes like that, you know? Not entirely super difficult, but yeah, Acheron. Okay, so let's see, anything better here? Let's make sure Ashley has the best stuff, especially because I'm going to take her with everywhere. You already have the best of this garbage at least, and way better. Okay, what's his type of armor called? Armax Arsenal, and I have Armax Arsenal as well. No, it's Hane Kadar, what? Or no, what is the one I have? It is. Okay, I don't know why it's that. Onyx number 2 is garbage. Oh well. So there's that. Casa Fabrication. Oh, there's the name for that anyway. Alright, I don't know. I should have just kept looking at this. So nothing's better here. It's all garbage. Alright, well, at least I might be able to sell it later. Let's save again. Oh, not that one. Let's do this one. Alrighty then. Onward to the joy of starting this Doom again. Doom, 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 doom. Okay, yeah, this looks like it's gonna be fun here. Look at all this little red dots everywhere. Oh, the joy. Exploder darts. Na, 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 na. Yay. I barely got that one.
Charging up.
Is that it for now?
I think we're good, Shepard.
What is with this ice cream truck of doom song? It's at everywhere where there's crap that we don't need existing in the game. Like, very spooky. They did a great job with it, that's for sure. Yay, aid station. A doom. Garrus, why are you poisoned in the game? Ah, there he's recovered already. That was quick. Let's see, can we mount this? E? Nope, I guess that's one that we can't. Some of them you can climb, some you can't. Upgrade kit, okay. Yay, sledgehammer rounds, inferno rounds. Ah, that is something we can upgrade. Let's do that. Let's see here. Inferno rounds 8, inferno rounds 9. Mine are now inferno rounds 9. Ah, you need some cool stuff. Okay, here, rail extension. 6 versus, what's scramble rail? 20 plus damage, less heat absorption though. Frictionless damage and heat dampening. Huh. Maybe. And what's this one? Combat optics? Yeah, you don't really need that, do you? So, yeah, maybe that. And what's this crap? Shredder rounds? Well, that's sort of okay-ish. Oh, interesting. 500 plus heat generation. Interesting. That would probably be better. Huh. Weapon overheating, though. You know, that's not the best for this. But maybe for the other thing. Inferno rounds, let's switch to that. Help the bugs to know the true meaning of extra crispy. So yeah, you have cryo rounds. Let's switch you to another thing of inferno rounds. And the combat scanner, level 8 detection if anyone's going to need it, I guess. That would be the better one, right? So more damage, and what's this, a rail extension thing? Yeah. Okay, 2 rail extensions, I guess, works out, I guess. Alright. But, alright, so for this, though, let's switch this to the HE rounds of Doom. And combat optics or something, I guess. Yeah, let's do that. And only rail extension... Yeah, let's do heat absorption so it doesn't do too badly. And less heat absorption, that would just cancel itself out, right? Okay, never mind for that. Maybe. But yeah, let's see, Ashley, what do you have here? Sledgehammer rounds. Oh, those are all pretty good, I guess. Yeah, let's do that. That'll be fine. Okay, so for me, this is it. Alright, I think this is fine. This is fine. I'll get better options later, but for now, let's save. I don't really want to save over 383, but yeah, whatever though. Better to not lose progress. 386. I think my first computer was a 386 with Windows 3.1. I know it was Windows 3.1. It was one my mom didn't need anymore, so she gave it to me. I'm always getting hand-me-downs. But it was kind of neat getting to play like the Galaxy of Games list that even had like a Tomb Raider demo. And a version of Asteroids that was kind of like with cooler sprites. Oh my word, more crap. Malfunctioning object, at least I don't... What is this crap? Shield interface, 8. Huh. Let's see here, what can we do with this? Energize weave, shield, 120 shields. Yeah, I'd want to keep that. Medical exoskeleton. Huh. Maybe let's keep this for me. But Ashley, let's see if we can help you live longer in the game. So yeah, let's see here. Medical interface, shield interface. And that's a shield modulator, so more shields. Let's replace that with the medical one. You get 120 versus just 110, so I guess 10 more shields. And still have a medical thing that we could get a better one of later. And Garrus, what do you have? You have kinetic buffer, so only that. Or 110 shields. I don't know. That has 120 shields already, so whatever though. Alright, so we'll stick with that for now. I want to get Ashley a green combat suit at some point though. A Unity app and Polaris, so that'll be for Liara, if we take Liara anywhere. I'm thinking I'm gonna mostly just stick with Garrus and Ashley from now on, because I want to bring them aboard the Citadel at the very end to deal with Saren. It sort of ties together Garrus's arc fairly well that way as well. Oh, cool. Well, I'll check and see whether those are any better after I get this as well. Alrighty. And then let's eye for inventory. Ashley, do you need a better one? Oh, this is a better one for that. Yeah, transfer those. Okay. And anything better here? Only slightly on those two fronts. Yeah. It is actually. Yeah. Not perfect, but something. And it is... Oh, that would be the other one that I just gave Ashley, kind of thing that he has already. Okay. So nothing really new under the sun. Alright, well, I'll sell some of that crap later then. See anything else here aside from these little eggs that have been pooping everywhere? I mean, there's corpses in the game. That's always lovely. And what's over here? More crap to deal with. There's an exclamation point of doom. I don't know what those are, but they need more doom. If they exist and look weird, they're doomed. I say so. Malfunctioning object. Yay, more free loot. And that's going to be fun for slowing us down. FTL com.
Mayday! 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 This is Lieutenant Marie Durand, 314th Infantry, Alliance 10th Frontier Division.
Pi.
The listening post has been overrun by unidentified hostile life forms. Request immediate extraction.
Yeah, I guess you didn't get it. Alright.
Commander, you see this? They just received a supply run 2 days ago. The Rachni worked fast.
Tell me about that supply ship. This planet is supposed to be uninhabited. The Rachni didn't come from nowhere.
Checking. This base is supplied by drone freighters, dispatched at irregular intervals from different depots to reduce the likelihood of tracking.
Got it. It came from Argos Row.
The option is, let's do them something there. Interesting.
Wherever it is, there's probably more Rachni there. Let's get to the bottom of this.
Aye, aye, Commander.
The Rachni infestation on Altair seems to be the result of a supply drop from Argos Row. The logs downloaded from the freighter should allow you to backtrack the ship's course to its origin. Download logs. Alright, so there's that.
Ready.
Yeah, I don't really want to do this mission now, but we might as well. I don't know if there's more on the planet, per se, but there is Argos Row to deal with. And this is part of the same mission that we found here, so I guess it's suiting that we should do this now, rather than another time. does stink to have to do multiple systems at once, but yeah, let's do it. Do it and get it done. Done, done, done. Are there more bugs up surface? Oh well, let's see. I mean, we should probably look here, see if there's anything more. Let's return to Normandy. I might go back here. But Argos Row. Where in Argos Row? Somewhere. Somewhere in Argos Row. Let's see, J for journal assignments, listening post alpha, the Erebus system in Styx Theta cluster. Huh? Interesting. Listening post alpha on the planet Nepmos. Oh my word. I thought they said Argos Row. But okay. So we are in the Styx Theta cluster, and here's Erebus. But what was that about Argos Row though? It's Hydra and Phoenix, but okay. We're already here in Styx Theta, and they said to go to Erebus. In the journal anyway. So you know what? I think this is done. I haven't examined Erebus yet, so that'll be next time. So the mission will finish next time. So Styx Theta and Acheron were today, and tomorrow, when I post it anyway, will be Erebus. Erebus, or Erebus, I don't know. Anyway, there we go. Acheron and Styx Theta. The joy. The joy. Saving again, so I don't lose my progress, which would be annoying. And we'll deal with the bugs the rest of the way. Roughnecks, oh! Here we go. Onward to seeing if I recorded anything. Take care, everyone. And try to not go crazy.